right, so this will be day 4 of our traversing through the United States. We're in Alabama, outside of the thrift shop named after me. So I'm excited to see what they have. It seems like a good day. Seems like prime thrifting weather. A little rainy, kind of cloudy. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right in the Goldilocks zone. Let's see what's going on. Jeez Louisa, they got a couple of Harley tees. This one's just cool because it's in that Chester flaming hot color scheme with the fire looking letters. This one is dope because it has pirates on the back. New school, but still cool, you dig? Look at that, little collegiate crew. Very clean. By Discus Athletic? Wow, you don't say. They know what time it is. Fishes get you hella. Yo, pretty sick, man. They got the I love gold embroidered LSU letters on the champion crew neck. Marshawn Lynch. All embroidered, bro. Let's see what it looking like. I mean, it looks decently clean, honestly. Yo, comfort is king when thrifting. We found the neck pillow for the thrift chariot.
Hey, so cozy I fell asleep before I came out the house. Yeah, you can snooze if you want, but not on me, baby.
What that is?
Glorious, glorious gold. I love gold.
Yeah, man, so we got a little nice bag of stuff. Honestly, the neck pillow probably will get the most use of anything. But yeah, we're in Alabama.
And a little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night.
All right, man, so we've made it out of Alabama. Now we're in MISSISSIPPI. I'm going into America's thrift store. I think we went into one of these in another city and it was pretty popping. So hopefully this one similarly has those traits and has that flame straight up. Yo, this store is massive. Dude, this sweater is so tough. I feel like the theme of this trip on the way back has been collegiate crew necks. But just look at that tiger, dude. That thing is vicious. Also, I found that Tommy for your mommy $4 sweater flamer. This thing is nuts. It is really small though. Like, it just says size small. I don't know if that's like a women's, men's, but this thing is literally tiny but still dope, and 4 doll hairs. Literally another one. Like, these OG graphics are just so eye-catching and dope. Yes. Oh, Liddy, it's my guy. Oh, no name on the back. Wow, but in case you guys didn't know, Emmett Smith. Alright guys, so Ashton went through all the t-shirts and we got 3 keepers, baby. I missed some other ones. You have the single stitch on a beach, Dallas, Texas. Golden, I guess, printed on a t-shirt, very cool. You have this Mickey embossed tee, that's $1 in the little aqua color scheme. And then this shirt is just hilarious, it says Jesus. That is my final answer. Congratulations! Guys, usually I avoid socks and draws like the plague, but look at these Aquaberry socks, bro. There's no way I can pass on this ass. Straight up.
The size.
Jeez, that Mickey's pretty lit. Yo, look at these. These are vintage, right? The disgusting vintage bike, I guess, like coochie claspers. They're $5 size medium. Show off your jock in infrared style. All right, fellas. We're jumping out of, yes, America's thrift store. We got a bunch of shit. Nothing too grailicious, aside from Little Mickey, man. Look at that dude, oh my God. But we still came away with some pretty alright, pretty decent, fairly fantabulous shit. And that's the mission, that's the goal when we hit these little thrift honey holes. You know what I'm saying? Alright, guys. We proceeded 2 minutes to the best thrift store chain in the game, in the nation, and that's G Willie. Bro, I gotta catch up to you. Hey man, this is exactly why this is the best thrift store chain in the game. Look at that, Chaps Ralph Lauren, heavily embroidered crew neck. Okay, piece number 1. Piece numero 2, that Boss Golf. Boss up or get crossed up on the course. And that You Go Boss, super soft crew neck. This Chaps one, Jesus, the thread count, immaculate. This is just beautifully embroidered, really clean, classic, cool, calm, and collected Americana piece. Wow.
What a hole.
Ooh, another one. Oh. Oh. Dang. Made in USA, Nike Air Essential Crew. Come on.
Checks over stripes, yeah, that's what I like. Yeah, that's what we like. Yeah.
Wow, dude. Dude, this Goodwill is packing, bruh.
I was sleeping.
How much is it? $10?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Big ass logos, dude. Hey, F with me.
Fuck with me.
Fuck with me.
Jeez, colorway's going crazy. You got that Frank Shorter vintage running jacket. It has 3M. That nice little cranberry sauce. Little indigo blue. And look at this Southport, like a vintage long sleeve. The colorway is just nuts on this guy as well. Diamonds dancing in the light. It's that time. Let's freaking go. Reversible Tommy jeans jacket. Oh, that Tommy for who? For your mommy. Looks like I got like double helix designs on the inside. Tommy jeans with a big flag in the collar. Wow, that was right here. Dude, I was asleep.
Sleep, bro.
Damn.
Sleep in your own stone.
Damn. Well, someone was in a bad mood.
You have a good day. Okay.
Bro, yeah, we just walked out of Goodwill. We have a fat bag full of stuff.
With that Tommy peeking.
Yeah, just poking out. But yeah, I go, hey, have a good day to the worker. She goes, okay. Like, what? What? Anyways, man, the Southern hospitality is not present here in Biloxi. But we're gonna proceed to, I guess, some more stores and see what else the day beholdeth.
You guess some more stores? Oh yes, we're hitting up stores, baby.
Facts.
Goodwill, thrift stores, anything you need.
Facts. Carfax. Guys, oh my gosh, man. We just jumped into a random thrift store in Slidell, Louisiana, and it's fitting that they have the Slidell Athletic Club vintage neon snapback. The camera's kind of tripping off that, but I also found the surf style hoodie to match it, and it does have surf style down the sleeves. Now this piece is nuts. Definitely picking up for the future child. The Buzz Lightyear, really sick kids denim jacket. Very cool, very cool.
You are a child's plaything!
What's wrong? It's just the case. Got him!
Got him!
Bro, I got that bootleg white dream, the Acapulco gold. Huh, what's weird though is this was made in Canada. What? But yeah, polar bear looking a little busty. Tell me why it goes with the fit. Y'all can't tell me with a straight face that this ain't heat. Boy, it's that Tootsie Roll time. Ooh, hit that Tootsie Roll.
Let me see the Tootsie Roll. Here we go, come on, roll. Come on, roll. Let me see your Tootsie Roll.
Hey, it's Tootsie Pop time, baby. Yeah.
Tootsie Roll. Here we go,
All right, guys. Jumped out of that store. I got this big bag full of stuff, and of course, my delicious Tootsie Roll that I love so much. This thing might be really disgusting, but I'll probably never wash it, TBH. Oh no! Fuck, I just dropped it in the bag, but I also got a fish pin, because you guys know fishes get you hella bitches, don't get it twisted. Anyways, we're on to the next store. Let's go. Oh, that's weird. The next store is my fucking house. All right, what's good, guys? We back from Jacksonville. I actually am back in Texas now. That's the last video of my traversals from Texas to Florida, then Florida all the way back to Texas. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little series. But now that I'm back in the crib and I've organized this past week, getting all my shit together and editing all these videos, we're gonna have a lot of tutorials and other shit happening very soon. Also on March 3rd, I'm gonna be in Dallas at DFW Vintage Swap Meet. So everybody up there, pull the fuck up to get some vintage clothes, and everyone else who wants some vintage for less, check out my website, Thrift Vintage. It is down below in the description. So yeah, man, bless yourself with some vintage clothes, and you'll get hella hoes. That's a guarantee. Maybe not, honestly. You gotta have a great personality, okay? Okay. But peace and love. Live the dream. Eat that ice cream. I'll catch you guys next time. I really appreciate you guys, for real. Blue face, baby. No, I'm just kidding. Peace.
killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Paruster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used